Hello subscribers, I just discovered the latest mining app that is going to make you a couple of dollars in this bull run season. Aviv, we know, did their airdrop last year, and in December 2023 they launched, and a lot of people gained free dollars just by clicking a button on a daily basis. This is another form of Aviv relaunch airdrop. So how do you participate in this airdrop? Click the link below and it will take you to your Telegram. It will take you to Telegram. So all you got to do is to click on start. You see a couple of starts, and click start, click play now, and it will come to this point where you have to tap like the normal Telegram tap and claim as many as you can. And after tapping this point to claim, you have 1,005 to claim. Then once you've tap, you click the claim button and it will automatically claim. Congratulations. All right, so these are a couple of tags. If you invite some friends, you get 3,000 of these gain both. Then if you follow them on X, which is formerly known as Twitter, you also get a couple of the coin. That's 1,000 and a lot of tags. Let's just see the little one you can do. So you see here, subscribe. I will have to join their Telegram and join. Then come back, check. All right, I've gotten 1,000. Let's just see. My balance has added 1,000. So you can also see a couple of tags. Subscribe to Aviv news channel, follow gain, and a whole lot of them you have to do to get more points. So if you want to invite your friends, click these friends and click on, you will see your link below. So copy the link, just click on this copy to automatically copy the link, and you can send it to any of your friends, either WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook, or thereabouts, or your community, and invite people. Now this is one thing about this mining: it is going to cook. You know why? It is coming from a reputable organization like Aviv. Aviv has done their airdrop, and I know they are still owing a lot of people, in as much as most people are not happy with the way they share their airdrop, but they still tweeted a couple of days ago that they are going to give everyone their airdrop. All right, and they're also doing their relaunch, which means you still have a share of fare to get many of these airdrop for free. You're not doing anything much. It doesn't consume data, it doesn't consume battery life, so you can just do the simple tasks and get a couple of these. So this is just starting as early as today of making this video. So I want you to queue in. Look at the description below. I just dropped the link for you. Click the link, it will take you to Telegram and begin to tap. Hey, you never can tell, this might be the gold mine you've been looking for. This is the crypto bull run season, and you know what that actually means. It translates in dollars. So get a couple of it as you can get. I am hopeful of this gain boat is going to cook for sure. Yeah, it's going to cook. Let's watch ads. Thank you for following, thank you for subscribing, thank you for engaging in our content. Share this content to most of your friends. Let them join, queue in this. You never can tell, like I keep saying. See you in our next video. Cheers.